This is the experimental setup for characteristics of common passive device. Here we are using variable DC power supply, DSO and breadboard. This is our variable DC power supply. We can vary voltage 0 to plus minus 15 volts. This is a DSO. DSO stands for Digital Storage Oscilloscope, used to produce a display of the two signals applied to the channels denoted by channel 1 and channel 2 of the DSO. There are two modes, YT mode and XY mode. In this experiment, we are using XY mode. Important thing is XY mode is not available in LT Spice. This DSO has inbuilt WaveGen. WaveGen generates different type of waveform like sine wave, square wave, pulse and etc. We can change its three parameters like frequency, amplitude and offset. This is breadboard used to connect temporary circuit. This circuit will be used to display the IV characteristic curve of the DUT, that is device under test, on a DSO used in the XY mode. This is the hardware of characteristics of common passive device. You can see the 741 op amp. This is the op amp. This is 1 kilo ohm, 1 by 4 watt, 1% tolerance resistor. Now see the IV characteristics of 1 kilo ohm resistance. This is 2.2 kilo ohm 1 by 2 watt resistor. Now IV characteristics of 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. This is 100 ohm 5 watt wire bound resistor. Now this is the IV characteristics of 100 ohm wire bound resistor. Now this is the IV characteristics of 1 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. This is 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor. This is the IV characteristics of 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor. Now you can see the IV characteristics of 1N4148 diode, where peak to peak value is 4 volt and offset value is minus 1.3 volt. This is the characteristics of 2.4 volt Zener diode. The peak to peak value is 4.5 volt and offset value is minus 1 volt. This is the IV characteristics of white LED. Amplitude is 4 volt peak to peak and offset is 1 volt. Increasing the offset, you can see the LED is glowing, and see the graph. Offset is 1 volt. सही है हाँ
इसमें तो हमारी आवाज़ जाएगी।